Hey guys, Jen here from Raven Loot and Paper 2, sharing with you the incoming red, white, and sparkle swap hosted by Becs Crafting World. I know from the reveals that mine is actually from Bethany, who is your crafty BFF, and I will leave both of their information down below. And I know that Bethany got mine. I saw her video yesterday, so I will leave that video down below as well. So we both got each other's. For this swap, we were to make one, receive one, or make two, receive two. It was a mini banner, 1 beaded element, 3 crafter's choice, 2 crafty store-bought gifts, and creative packaging. And I see right here that Bethany has used the cute little, this was like a beach toy bag that they had at Walmart. And I actually bought some on clearance at the end of the season because I was like, I definitely got to use that. So it's super duper cute. And then over here we have her banner is packaged in this cute little box, but it got a little bit of damage from USPS. So we'll have to fix that later on. But let's go ahead and get into opening the swap. This is the box containing the banner, and like I said, it had a little bit of an accident from USPS, but we'll just re-glue that back together. She has made this cute little box here with the see-through window, and she's used the red, white, and blue star paper all around the edges, and she has done gold stitching around even the sides here. And on the back she has her beautiful little handmade sticker. And hold on, let me open it this way so that the stuffing doesn't fall out. It has all this cute little shred in here, so let me try to pull this off without making a big mess. For her banner, she has used this pennant shaker die, and she's made each of them into a shaker. She's included this beautiful red seam binding to hang it from so that I can hang this on my mantle next year for 4th of July. Like I said, each of these are shakers. She has this beautiful shaker mix on the inside with the red and gold and blue and white. She's used these little I don't even know what the name of these little shapes are. These like starburst, I guess. And then she has like this crafty, glitter mesh tool behind the rosettes here in the middle. And then she has the shadow letters for the U. And oh, over here is also a blue little doily. And we have the gold on the back here, and then the red for the U. For the S, she has some more, oh my goodness, I'm sorry you guys. She has some more of the starburst and the mesh, and she's got another doily and the rosettes. But here on the top, we have the this cute little puffed up, yeah, this is on foam, this cute puffed up banner across the top here, and it says wow, and they are like these beautiful little flowers that kind of almost look like firework explosions. And the S is gold with the red. And then for the A, it is more of the like starburst patterns here. And everything is puffed up so that it's on different layers here. So there's lots of dimension. I don't know if you guys can see all of that. And some more of the tool, the mesh tool, a blue doily, and a white rosette, and the red and gold letters for the USA. Let me kind of try and see if I can hold this all out. In front of my camera so you guys can see that. How gorgeous it looks. So cute. Thank you, Bethany. All right. I still made a mess. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here is a closer look at that cute basket that she's used, and she has decorated the front here with a little beaded, this is her beaded element. Let me take it off. So to add it to her bag, she used this really pretty blue binder clip, and she has some of the red, white, and blue gemmed beads there. There's another red bead. Here we have a blue sparkle We have a blue tassel. Oh, I really like these. They're like the wooden beads, but it's plaid here and it says USA. She has this cute little American flag butterfly. We have the red and white striped beads. And oh, look at this bead. It's got like American stars and like all kinds of little stripes and stuff on it. And she has an American flag charm. She has little bells on here. And then this cute little Nomi. I need to step up my bead game. These are really cute beads. I like that. Okay. These are adorable. And this was on the front of her bag. This is her beaded element. And inside she has created this ginormous embellishment book that we will get to in just a second. As it looks like here are her treats, her store-bought goodies. She included some Sour Punch bites, which my girls will steal from me, so thank you. I'm sure they will appreciate that. For her store-bought goodies, she's included some of the clay bits from Hobby Lobby, the American flag ones. I use these guys too, so these will be really helpful in making another like sequin mix. And for next year, she has included the 4th of July bow stickers, which, I mean, honestly, you can use for anything. Doesn't have to be 4th of July. Then we have the cute little Nomis here and the fireworks stickers. And I actually thought about picking these up, but I told myself no, I needed to stop buying stuff, so thank you very much for those, so that I didn't get in trouble for purchasing them. Let me move this basket out of the way so you guys can take a look at this beautiful embellishment book she has made here. This is a big boy. It's nice and chunky. It's got this real thick the red and white striped spine here. The back is that star paper she's used, and of course it has her information down there, handmade by Bethany. And then let's take a look at the front of this thing. She has got, we have a tag in the background here. We have a red rosette, and it's got like the little like diamond rhombus cutouts, whatever you want to call them. We have this gold glitter mesh. We have some page ruffling. And it says, God bless America. There's all these cute ephemera pieces. This is like a firework explosion. We have the United States, and then we have this cute flag, and it's puffed out here, so there's lots of dimension. I don't know if you guys can see how thick that is. And of course she has stitched around everything in that gold thread, the like metallic gold thread, and it's all closed with this red seam binding. On the first page here, I'm sorry, I'm sitting in my sunroom and there's a bird. If you guys keep hearing chirping, it is a cardinal who has decided it likes my bird feeder. So the first page here has like a belly band on it, and it's got these paperclip embellishments hanging from it. Let me remove those for you guys to look at. So the first one she has decorated, and it is this gorgeous like blue plaid paper on the back here, and it's got these little gold tassels hanging from it. And we have our rosette in the very back, some of the gold tulle, and these beautiful ephemera pieces with the like florals and the flags, and it says America, and she's used one of those cute little Nomi stickers. And of course she has also made one that I can alter myself here, and this one is red. It's using the red, white, and blue stickers, and the has the little gold tassels hanging from the bottom. I love the idea of making one that's embellished and then leaving one so that you can make, you know, embellish it yourself. On the second page here, she has made these two like mason jar shakers, Look at that. And they are chock full of the shaker bits. I don't want to remove these because I don't want to lose these. But let me just let you guys take a closer look at the one that's decorated here. It has this adorable little gingham top here, and she has even on the little bow added some of the little clay bits of the American flag on top of the oh my goodness, I can't remember what this is called. On top of this, she's added the fireworks sticker. And then we have the rosette on the bottom, and we have all the cute ephemera pieces here, some of the mesh, and there are some of the puffy stickers from the collection as well, and it says Liberty on the one that she has left for me to decorate. Of course, you can see all the big chunky the mix in there, and it has these cute little American flag background right here. This reminds me of I don't know, maybe some Polo or Tommy Hilfiger shorts that I've seen at the store. Very cute pattern paper. Here she has used, she's made some more shakers. Bethany, how do you have the time to make all these things? I know you have children and you are always busy. I believe you have joined every single swap here lately that I have seen, and I just don't know how you have time to make so many wonderful things. Please share with us how you do that. You are incredible. So she's made these shaker kites, and they have the cute red seam binding hanging from them. We have the ephemera pieces here, and we have some more of the rosette, the glitter tulle, some of the stickers here. So many fun little things if you keep looking. And like I said, everything's a shaker. And then she's left one that is also blank so that I can make my own. And then for her other page back here, we have some rosettes, and thank you for that. I hate making rosettes, so thank you, thank you, thank you. This one she has embellished with the gold mesh tulle. We have another tag, some of this ephemera, some more of the puffy stickers, and this one says God Bless America, and then there is a blank one here, and then here at the back she has left a little pocket so that I can store things in here and use this as a folio when I am done hoarding all of these craft supplies, so that I can keep all of our 4th of July pictures and stuff in here. Honestly, Bethany, I have no idea how you have time to make all these things and to make them all so beautiful. I am 100% absolutely thrilled with everything you have made, and thank you so much for all the time and effort that you put into everything. I just kind of wanted to set this all back out so that everybody could see all of the hard work that she has done. Let me see if I can move my camera back a little bit here. There we go, so you guys can see everything, get a look at all of it. I'm going to take everything out and take pictures, and once again, thank you so much, Bec, for hosting, and Bethany, thank you so much for everything. Everything is incredible, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.